Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by calming the panda and ensuring safety. The first step is approach. Move slowly so it doesn't bolt. Hold bamboo visibly to keep its attention. Once close, clear 2 to 3 minecart lengths of track and remove nearby hazards because you don't want an accidental fall or swim. Make sure you have an empty hand or lead ready. You'll need to interact without startling it. This reduces panic and gives you control for the next, more deliberate actions. Once done, stop the minecart and stabilize the animal's platform. Bring the cart to a full halt using a powered rail or a gentle push, then immediately block both sides to prevent any rolling. You want the cart immobilized so the panda feels secure. Now, interact calmly. Right-click to nudge or offer bamboo at the open side, explaining to the panda through movement that exiting is safe. Maintain slow motions. Sudden jerks will make the panda retreat deeper into the cart. Finish by giving the panda a clear, low ramp to step onto. Use a slab or trapdoor to bridge the cart edge and make exiting easy. You should position bamboo on the far end and slowly back up to encourage forward movement. You lead with the treat, not force. Once out, secure it with a lead, pen, or fenced area so it won't return to tracks. If it freezes or refuses, reset the cart away from hazards, pause, then repeat calmly. Patience usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.